There comes a time in every man's life when he feels the need to transform, to shed the old skin and step into something greater. The samurai understood this deeply. Reinvention was not an act of desperation for them, it was a strategy, a way to sharpen the spirit as they sharpened their swords. Today, we are going to explore how you can use the samurai's timeless wisdom to reinvent yourself and forge a stronger identity. First, you must embrace the principle of self-mastery. The samurai lived by the code of Bushido, a path of discipline, loyalty, and continuous self-improvement. They trained not just in combat, but in philosophy, art, and leadership. Reinventing yourself begins the same way, by declaring war on your own weaknesses. No more excuses. No more waiting. You must see yourself as a project, one that requires daily construction, destruction, and rebuilding. Every flaw you recognize is an opportunity to build a stronger version of yourself. Next, adopt the samurai mindset of death before dishonor. To truly reinvent yourself, you must be willing to kill the old version of who you were. This requires sacrifice. You must let go of habits, identities, and even relationships that no longer align with your higher path. It's painful, but understand this. Just as the samurai had to face death to live fully, you must face the death of your comfort zone to live powerfully. Reinvention demands the courage to sever ties with the past without hesitation. The samurai also taught the art of purposeful living. Every movement, every decision was made with precision and intention. You cannot reinvent yourself if you live aimlessly. Define a clear purpose for your new life. Why are you changing? Who are you becoming? Purpose is your sword. It cuts through the noise and distractions of the modern world. Without it, you will fall back into old patterns. With it, you become unstoppable. Another critical samurai strategy is constant vigilance. Even in times of peace, the samurai remained prepared for battle. In your reinvention, understand that comfort is the enemy. Just because you have made progress does not mean you are finished. Stay sharp. Keep learning. Keep adapting. Reinvention is not a one-time event, it's a lifetime commitment. The moment you believe you have arrived is the moment you begin to decay. Lastly, embody the spirit of Kaizen, continuous, incremental improvement. The samurai didn't seek perfection overnight. They focused on daily, relentless progress. One more skill learned. One more weakness overcome. One more battle within, won. Reinvention is not about grand gestures, it's about stacking small victories until you wake up one day and realize you have become a new force altogether. So remember, to reinvent yourself the samurai way, master yourself, kill the old you without mercy, live with unshakable purpose, remain forever vigilant, and commit to constant evolution. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. The world may not notice your transformation at first, but one day, they will look at you and wonder how you became so powerful, so sharp, so unstoppable. And you will smile, knowing you walked the hidden path of the samurai.